Hello, my name is Jemiah. My team and I have been tasked with finding a solution to help a local middle school deal with the sending or receiving of inappropriate texts and pictures. The main concern is the parents' reactions about the children's use of the smartphones. The solution definition that my team and I came up with is to have students, teachers, parents, and the principal go through a course learning about positive and negative ways a smartphone can be used. During this duration of the course, they also will hear about the consequences that come with both sides of smartphone usage. These lessons will be taught in the hopes that the information will be retained and used for the greater good for everyone at the school. Whether people realize it or not, smartphones definitely influence the actions of a person. Smartphones are also altering the way humans interact with other humans. Therefore, students and parents need to be informed on the proper ways to use smartphones and avoid negative smartphone usage as well as negative consequences. A few positive ways to use smartphones will be discussed in one of the lessons. One major way is completely obvious, is that it helps people connect and communicate from all over the world in a matter of seconds. Before smartphones were created, people communicated by mailing letters. These letters were then delivered by horse, which took 10 times the amount of time it does today. Smartphones also serve as an educational purpose. People have access to numerous amounts of information right at their fingertips. They are able to learn new things instantly by just searching it up. Smartphones can also act as a navigation system for people to make sure they arrive at the appropriate destination. This advanced technology even helps businesses. Fast food places like Chick-fil-A or Zaxby's now have an app where you can order your food ahead of time to skip waiting in a line. Also, my team and I will share and discuss some commonly known negative ways smartphones are used. Starting off with how smartphones can be used to help students cheat on quizzes or tests during class. Some students can get away with this, and it has not done any harm to anyone. In the future, matters may get serious and if caught can be put on academic probation or at risk of getting kicked out of the course or even college. Another negative way a smartphone can be used is cyberbullying. There are multiple cases about this issue. It can start off with something simple and spiral into a very serious issue. Cyberbullying is basically bullying on the internet, which can occur through social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and such. Some cyberbullying issues can result in a person feeling extremely depressed and embarrassed or cause them to take their own life. Students have to be aware that words and the way things are said can affect people, whether they realize it or not. Sending and or receiving inappropriate pictures is one of the main negative ways smartphones are used. Next, I will share about the solution design. Kate Northup said, "Give the people in your life the gift of your presence by putting down your mobile device." My team and I agree with her. The amount of time people are spending on their phones is steadily increasing. Some people are using their smartphones in a safe way, while others may use their smartphones in a harmful way. The solution design my team and I developed was created to target a specific middle school and the issue they are facing with how students are using smartphones in a negative way by sending or receiving inappropriate texts and pictures. Students, teachers, and the principal will be required to complete 2 different lessons which last for 2 days each and for a length of 2 hours. One lesson will discuss positive and negative ways to use smartphones, while the next lesson will display positive and negative consequences that come from using the smartphone either responsibly or irresponsibly. Parents will have a separate lesson they attend. It will be titled, "How to Monitor Teen Cell Phone Usage." The session will last for 1 day for about 2 hours and extend to 3 if needed. During this session, parents will be given helpful tips and ways to talk to their child about what they do on their cell phone and how much time they should spend on it. 37% of adults and 60% of teens admit they are highly addicted to their smartphone. Dopamine, which is an organic chemical is in some way responsible for people being addicted to their smartphones. This chemical helps to control the brain's reward and pleasure centers. It also causes people to take action so they can keep receiving rewards.